Now, we're talking about weather right now. We do have some showers in southern Middle Tennessee this morning, and I'm dropping clickers. And oh, it's a Monday, isn't it? Especially after a 4-day weekend for most folks. We'd have showers mainly in southern Middle Tennessee, enough to wet down the roads and, well, probably add a few minutes to that morning commute. But even if you're not seeing any rain in your neighborhood on the radar, it doesn't mean it's dry outside. There's still plenty of mist, drizzle, fog that doesn't really show up on the radar because those droplets are very, very small and they just kind of hang out in the air. The showers this morning are going to be scattered, mainly in southern Middle Tennessee, and then heavier rain is going to be lifting back up from the south as we head through the afternoon. You can see all that widespread rain off to our south and southwest. It's just going to be trundling right along the cold front that's stalled out across the mid-state. But again, for the moment, there are some breaks in the showers here and there. Seen a little bit of fog around Carthage, but it has parted for the moment right now, so visibilities are okay there in Smith County. You see that low-hanging cloud cover, mist, drizzle around Metro Nashville, enough to keep the roads wet, keep the puddles from evaporating. And you know what that means. The morning commute will probably be a little bit complicated, so give yourself a few extra minutes in addition to your normal amount of time for the morning commute. 51 degrees the temperature right now in Nashville. Again, the cold front that's stalled out across the mid-state is going to be the focus for the showers to travel along. The more widespread rain on the way by this afternoon and this evening, and temperatures will warm up. We're going to drag some of that warm air back into the mid-state. Right now, still 59 degrees in Crossville, at 62 down I-24 in Chattanooga, but only in the mid-40s as you head farther to the west. So we'll kind of wobble back and forth with temperatures as this front wobbles back and forth, getting a little more of a northward nudge today, and then the cooler is eventually going to win the battle for our temperatures later this week. Futurecast shows the rain spreading back up as we head towards midday. Still some gaps here and there, but more shower activity through midday and into the afternoon and evening hours as well. So more widespread rain moving back up as we head through the evening, and that's going to add up to a greater extent. One more kind of wave of heavier rain approaching by midnight. Could hear a few rumbles of thunder as we head through tonight, but no severe weather with this system. We're going to start to dry things out a little bit from west to east as we head through the day tomorrow, but still widespread rain tomorrow by mid-morning in eastern Middle Tennessee with scattered showers elsewhere. Couple breaks in the cloud cover farther to the west by tomorrow afternoon. We can hope for that, but for the most part, the clouds are going to be tough to budge yet tomorrow as the heaviest rain works its way off to the east, though. Maybe one more round of light showers on the way for early Wednesday before we do dry out the forecast for the end of the work week and into next weekend. How much rain? Talking about generally ½ inch to an inch of accumulation in the blue shaded areas. Talking about 1 to 2 inches of rain in the purple shaded areas, which does include portions of Metro Nashville, but the ground can absorb that. We're talking about 2 to 3 inches in these red shaded areas just off to our southeast. And you did see some heavier rain in eastern Middle Tennessee over the weekend, which is why you have the flood watch that's in effect through tomorrow. Scattered showers at noon. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s at that point, on our way up to the upper 50s this afternoon with that widespread rain spreading back in from the south. It's just going to be a wet forecast in general for today and tomorrow before we dry it out on Wednesday. And we'll stay dry Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A dry weekend for a change with temperatures not too bad at all, right around 60 degrees for that first weekend in December.
All right, Paul. 5:49 is our